Yes, good morning guys and gals. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It's Wednesday the 8th of August 2018. This is just my daily video where I go over what I've done this morning on the daily charts on both the Mod MACD and the high probability trading methods. So there was a fair bit of action this morning. Let's have a look. We'll get into the Mod MACD profile first. Start off with the pound yen. If you watched my weekly video yesterday, this black dashed line here is a previous low, so I've closed out half my trade there and my stop's already in place. So all I've done is taken half my profit off the table. That's the pound yen and a sell trade from this point in here. Just remember you can pause these videos if I'm going too quick. You can read my notes on the chart. Euro Swiss franc in a sell from back here. I just don't like the look of it. I start off with a sell of 3 micro lots. I've already closed one. I've closed another one this morning, so it only leaves 1 micro lot in place. Got a stop in place, so it just looks a bit bullish to me, so I've just closed out another micro lot on that trade. That's Euro Swiss franc. Euro Aussie, I'm in a sell. All I've done this morning is I've moved my stop down to 157,654. Just looks like it's losing a bit of momentum here, and I just want to protect myself. I've already closed one. I'm just bringing down the other 2 micro lots stop down to that level there. So that's Euro Euro AUD, Euro Aussie, Euro Yen. In a sell here, big bullish candle yesterday. Just want to play it safe here. Closed, look at my notes, closed half, locking a little bit of profit, and set a stop at the 134.57 level. So I can't lose on this trade. That's Euro Yen sell. CAD Yen, I'm in a buy from way back here. It still looks like, you can see there's divergence here. Look at higher prices, higher highs in the price, lower highs on the fast MACD, and probably the standard MACD, you could say the same. So all I've done is jam my stop up tighter on the buy. Already closed half, so I'm just locking a bit of profit here. Stops up to 84,802. That's the CAD Yen. Aussie Swiss franc. Took a new buy here this morning. You can see I've marked it in the trade here. I was waiting on a clear signal. Fast MACD's through the 0 level, standard MACD's in buy mode. Closed above the 25 SMA. The only thing I'm lacking is a green QMP filter dot. But there's enough criteria. It is a high risk trade, so be aware of that. I'm trading into the 240 LMA. It's a pair that's given me some grief, so I'll take the signals when they present those. So it's Aussie Swiss, new buy trade this morning, and Euro New Zealand dollar, Euro NZ. I was in a sell here. I've got a confirmed cross on the fast MACD this morning. I've closed that sell trade out for a loss. Wasn't a huge one, I think, only about 60 pips or so, which is not much on this pair. There's not enough criteria to take the buy traders yet, even though we've got a fast MACD cross. Haven't got price closed above the 25 SMA. We're missing either a green QMP dot, which there's obviously not one there, and the standard MACD is not in buy mode. So all I've done is close that sell. That's Gornsky. Took the loss, and that's it on the Euro NZ, and I think that's it on the on the Mod MACD trade. So let's quickly scoot over to the high probability daily. I'm just having a look at my 4-hour high probability charts. I'm really peeved that I closed that Euro CAD for a 20 pip profit when it's now up 120 pips, but that's just the way it is sometimes. Alright, let's have a look at the high probability daily charts. Euro CAD, what have I done here? Oh, here we go. Took a new buy this morning. I like this support level. the MAs are starting to spread out. I'm still in a sell with a stop just near the point of entry, so it gives me a partial hedge here. Normally I'd move that stop level down, but there's really no place to put it other than right across the yesterday's high, which I don't want to do. Just want to give myself a little bit of protection. So I took the buy this morning. There's a stop in place just below here, below the lows. So we're in a half a sell and a full buy. That's the Euro CAD. Euro Swiss in a sell here. We've got a new blue dot on the MACD Platinum this morning. We've got a support level here. So all I've done is brought my stop down to above these highs. All I did was go to the 4-hour chart, have a look here, obvious highs, bring down the stop, so it's 1.16076, and it locks in that bit of profit. I've already closed half, so that's all good in that trade. Pound Swiss. Well, I've done them in a sell trade all this morning. All I've done is move my stop down to this level here, 1.30458. There's plenty of profit on the table. I'm just trying to lock it in. Again, you can go to a 4-hour chart. You can see it's a bit more obvious on there. It's in that area there. So all I'm doing is locking in a bit of profit on this sell trade, Pound Swiss. CAD Yen took a, what do I do here? CAD Yen. New sell. This is a re-entry actually. Took an original sell back here, stopped out on that little spike, would you believe? And there's a new sell signal this morning. There's divergence there, so higher highs on the price, lower highs on the MACD Platinum, bearish divergence, and so looking to take this down. Hopefully the MAs are pretty tight and flat. Well, on the 240 LMA at the moment, it's a bit of a, probably not ideal, but I'm just only a short distance above the MACD, the 0 level on the MACD Platinum, but still a valid signal on the, can't even talk. Still a valid sell signal. So that's a CAD Yen. There's a stop in place above the highs there. Aussie CAD. New buy trade this morning based on bullish divergence. It's a higher risk trade. We're going into the MAs. You can see this, the price is not far below them. So it's regular bullish divergence. Price is going down, lower lows. MACD is going up, higher lows. So it's a buy trade on the AusCAD. And finish it with a bummer of a trade. Aussie, New Zealand in a sell back here. Probably didn't manage this as well as I could have, and I possibly could have taken this buy trade to help hedge some of my loss. So I had a stop up here thinking this high would hold. It didn't. Got stopped out. Took a loss there in the Aussie, New Zealand. So that Aussie, that sell trade is no longer part of the deal. Stopped out for a loss. So just mucking around with the charts at the moment. Delete all selected. So that's gone. Except for the stop. And I think, guys, that is it for the days thus far. So thanks for watching, and as usual, if you like the videos, please subscribe, and if nothing else, just hit the like button or something like that. All good, and I'll chat with you later. It looks like we might have a couple of 4-hour trades happening. We've got a couple on at the moment, and I'm looking for another one on the pound Japanese yen, looking for a possible re-entry on a buy there. Anyway, chat later. Thanks for watching. Cheers.